Hello friend, my name is Tushar Panaji Patel. Today we are going to discuss about MVC architecture in Spring. MVC architecture indicates that model view control. In MVC architecture, in Spring framework, is our programming code is organized in structurally. This is we can organize our code in presentation layer, we can organize our code in business layer, and we can organize our code in data access layer. In presentation layer, in business layer and data access layer, in many components are used. Like we can use controller, like you can use model, like we can use view. That is the MVC architecture is our code is made in our code made in structurally and organize our code in properly. This is the main purpose of the MVC architecture. In MVC architecture, firstly we can there are three stages. First stage is UI, second stage is a backend, and third stage is server. In MVC architecture in Spring framework is used in backend developer. The first is user hit the request in the backend. This request is goes to the front controller in MVC architecture. The front controller is receive the request and send the appropriate handler to the controller. This and the appropriate handler, the controller, this main perform is the handler mapping. Handler mapping is the main work of the this request is sent in particular controller, or in this controller is particular controller method using the annotation of get mapping, post mapping, and this handler mapping is check exactly this handler and this request is exactly match or map. When exactly match on this request, then goes to the then perform to controller in this handler. In controller we can handle the request, HTTP request, and response return back to the in the object of the JSON. In we can handle HTTP request, and we can perform in business logic to the business service layer, and we can access the data from the view. We can access the data for the model. We can access the data from model to service layer. We can perform business logic and returning the data. We can use in MVC architecture. We can return the data with the objects and HTML templates and UI. With combination of the HTML templates, UI plus data, we can send the user. This is the whole structure of the programming is the MVC architecture of the Java. This is all about MVC architecture.